Let's take something apart. It's an old headphone. It's a Sennheiser HD 62 TV. Let's first take off these cups. That was easy enough. They seem to be replaceable, so probably Sennheisers sell these thingamithings probably for way too much money, but these are the drivers. G0822-00 or 00. Ew. Pretty sturdy. It's gonna have only one driver in it, a pretty big one. Sennheiser Novi. Let's cut this wire off. And here is the driver. The part number I think is 425C1. It's a 32 ohm. 32 ohm. Maybe the 3 is from the part number and it's a 2 ohm. This wilt kind of paper kind of material is probably to keep the sweat out. There is some glue there. Let's manhandle this without cutting myself open. Ooh, movement, movement! We got movement!
Eventually.
We're in! We're in! This is a nice bass driver. Ooh, strong magnets. Very strong magnets. Check this out. Spray it from a distance and it carries the weight easily. This is the membrane. And there is some wire here already to drive it. There's a red wire coming from, I think, the positive, that the bare wire is the negative. This is 9 volt. It's quite high. It's a little bit hot. Now it's getting pulled down. You can clearly see that. Let's burn it up. It's continuously 9 volts. I don't know if you can hear that. Let the bass go. Oh, this is broke. I think something blew up. Let's tear off this plastic. Oh, this is a bigger coil than I was expecting. This wire is so thin, but pretty strong. And it are 2 wires. One going left to right, it seems, and one going the other way around. Can I make you see this? Can you actually see this wire? There's a wire here going clockwise. And then there was a wire here. Oh, I broke it. Here. I think this goes anti-clockwise. This was an anti-clockwise wire. So there are two wires. Can I get this out? Here we go. This is just glued in. Do I want to take out the other magnet? No, I'm not gonna bother. There we go, that's the Sennheiser HD 62 TV. Probably it was in working condition. It's gonna be hard to get this working again. Bye.